Another reason you may need to place a service call, or you could fix yourself, is waste toner. This you will have to check with your technician, and depending on the particular machine you have, the waste toner most of the machines are customer replaceable. And what we try to do here is make it so that you have a spare waste toner and you put the new one in and your machine will be up and running in just a few seconds. The old one, however, we try to be a little economical because we want the technician to come out and empty this so that you always have a spare. We try not to throw these away because we find it's better for the environment. Toner is more biodegradable than plastic, so that's why we try to you should keep a spare waste toner and have the technician come and empty it out for you so you always have it. But this waste toner on most of your machines is just as easy as this. In and out.